Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Instagram voice message not playing. Don't worry, here are quick fix in under 1 minute. Okay, how to fix it? See, this is the problem. Instagram voice message not playing problem. Okay, first open your Google Play Store app and now search here Instagram app and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Okay, back, and second step, go to your phone settings and scroll down and click on the apps icon. Scroll down, now search here Instagram. See, click on the Instagram app and scroll down, click on the storage option and clear check and clear data, delete the data. Okay, back, now click on the permission option and allow all permission. Okay, contacts, location, microphone, nearby device, notification, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission. Okay, back, and third step, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.